In this video, we're going to explore the gaming mechanics of Evoq Social, and more specifically, we're going to look at how to create a new badge. But before we look at how to create a badge, it's important to understand what a badge is. So to illustrate that, I'm going to log in as a user named Oliver. And as soon as I log in, you notice that Oliver gets a notification here in the top right hand corner. This is what we call a toast notification, and it's the user getting a notification that he's earned a badge here. So Oliver receives the message, "Congratulations, you've earned a new badge. Thumbs up." Now this is a result of Oliver submitting an idea previously that had been upvoted by another user. So as soon as Oliver logged in, he got notification that he's earned the badge. And if we go and look at Oliver's profile, then we can also see more information about the badges that he's won. So we can see that Oliver has won the Getting Started badge as well as the Thumbs Up badge. Now let's look at how we would go about creating a badge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out as Oliver, and I'm going to log right back in as an admin user. Now in order to access the gaming mechanics, we need to log in as a host or admin user, and I've logged in as Melissa here. Melissa is an admin user for Nova Mobility, and to access the gaming mechanics, I'm going to hover over the admin menu, then go Advanced and click on Gaming Mechanics. Now when we get to the gaming mechanics page, you can see that we have the scoring tab. This area is where you will define all scoreable actions within the gaming mechanics, and on the privileges tab, this is where you'll configure the privileges that can be unlocked by users. But those are not the focus of this video. We're going to focus in on badges and how to create a badge. So in the badge tab here, we can see all of the badges that currently exist in the system, and if we expand or click on the goals section, the goals will actually expand, and we can see the necessary criteria for users to earn these badges. Now in the actions column, if I click on the edit icon, we'll get a pop-up window, and this is the three-step process in order to create a badge. So first you would give your badge a name, and then if you had a custom image that you wanted to upload, to match maybe your organization's brand, you can definitely do that. And in the descriptions area, this is where you would enter the information that the users will see when they hover over the badge, so they'll know what they have to do to earn the badge. You can also specify a badge tier, and people do this sometimes in case they have a badge that lives on multiple tiers. So you can have a gold, silver, and bronze tier with your badge. Step 2 is the scoring actions. So I can click here on the scoring actions or just click next. They'll both take you to the same screen, and this is where it gets really interesting regarding the badge creation process. On this screen we can specify the criteria that a user must fulfill or complete in order to earn the badge. So we can say in order to win this badge, you're going to have at least 3 blog entries approved, and so we can just add that and update it there, and we can say in the activity stream, I want you to have commented at least 10 times. So we can come over and directly enter the number, or we can just toggle up and down. And finally we have and we can add any social criteria that we have, but I'm going to access the mechanics management and say in order to win this badge you also must have logged in at least 5 times here within a certain time frame. And so the time frame is actually the third step. So if we click on define goals, we can specify the number of days that a user must complete these actions within in order to earn the badge. So since we were in edit mode, I'm just going to close that, and if you wanted to create a new badge, you would just click this create a new badge, and you would step through the same process here. So make it really easy for admin users to create badges and manage these gaming mechanics. And so just as Oliver did when he logged in, your users are going to be interacting with your site, and they're going to be getting notified of all the badges that they're winning as they interact and engage with your site. So I hope you found this video helpful. I just want to remind you to check out the other videos we have exploring other features and functionality of Evoq Social. And thanks again for watching.